Hey folks, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. What is this? This is Monday, October 3rd, 2022. Hey, I've got 4 charts I want to look at. The SPY, VLO, NEM, and HD. These are charts that I'm moving up on that hot list, and we'll just keep an eye on them, okay? But first, let's start with the SPY here. And what a great day, a great little move in the SPY, good price action, everything is good. But let's, whoa, doggy, let's pump the brakes just a little bit. A few things we need to accept, okay? One is trend indicator is still red. We're still in a downtrend. Price is still underneath the T line. That's the 8 exponential moving average for anyone that doesn't know. And really nothing has changed here. For a trend to change, what we're going to need to see is a low, a high, wherever that high may be, a pullback that's supported. In other words, it stops, it just doesn't keep moving down. And then we're going to need to see follow through. And let's just assume for a minute, 174.40 maybe is that high. So here, we're going to have to, in this area, we're going to have to pull back and rest. And that rest can be sideways as well. And then we're going to need to break out. And then what's going to happen is this is going to have to hold. And from that point, we might have a shot, maybe have a shot at this 392.50, maybe the 50-period moving average up here, that dashed line. So let's not get too carried away. I'm probably saying this for myself more than anybody. Just kind of pump the brakes there, Ricky Poo, and let's take a little rest here. Now, you know, there's going to be trades to be had. Just keep that stop tight. Take profits on the way up. So that's what I'll be looking at. Okay, let's take a look at VLO, moving VLO up on the old watch list. So here we are right through here. There we go. Right through here. That's pretty nice. And then we pop to the upside. Here we pulled back. Let me make this chart a little bigger for you. I don't know why I work with a small chart. There we go. We'll just leave this red. It's easy to see, okay? So I think that's a nice little supporting area. And then pop, big move up, and then we have this flag pullback. Excellent. And then we have this breakout here, and we've closed over the 50-period moving average today. So I think that's cool beans. Let's put a line right here, because if it's back below the 50, I'm not interested in being long. I'm only interested if it can be long above that 50-period moving average. So let's just say that tomorrow we slide down. World's not coming to an end. I'm not in it. I'm going to patiently wait, and if it does move up, now I can take a look at it. So it doesn't have to be tomorrow. Excuse me. So we're going to wait for that, and then our next target we're going to look at is about 122.50, 138.30. Overall, what do we have here? 8.5% on the first move, first target, and then 11. Maybe 11.25% on the second move. Now, tomorrow, in our pre-market prep with members, I'll talk about entries and maybe tighten some targets up, but these are pretty good targets right here. But we're definitely going to talk about targets and the market, okay? All righty, let's go look at the second one, NEM. Now, NEM, let's draw another line on this, put in a nice little double bottom here. And I'm going to call that a double bottom with success. I mean, you can always have a double bottom, but, you know, without price action following through, you really don't have anything. And so far, price action's following through. So now what I'm looking for is a close up over about 44.20 here. These little candles right in through here, and then we take out these lows over here. So 44.20. From there, I think we're going to be looking at about 51.25. So what do we have here? 14, excuse me, 14% trade. Not too shabby on the stock, and if you're buying an option, it's even better than that. The other one that I want to look at here is Home Depot. Home Depot. I think Home Depot's done a great little job here. We're going to have to put a line from this low back here, that little bullish piercing candle right here, and then we're going to move it up to these lows. And what we've got here is an inverted head and shoulders. So I think we're doing pretty good. I kind of like what it's doing. Price is over the trend indicator. See how the trend indicator turned green here? It did give us a couple of red days, and now it's back green. The red days was simply the pullback, pulled back to the T-line, and now moving up. First target I'm going to look for is a challenge of that 50-period moving average at 296.25. After that, we'll look at 321.55, but it will have to successfully close over that 50-period moving average. All right. So there's 3 stocks, and then taking a look at the market there. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can email me at rick@hitandruncandlesticks.com. If you have charts that you'd like me to post out here and talk about like this, send them to me. Be glad to do that, okay? Hey, thanks bunch. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see everybody tomorrow, okay? Take care.